Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry I won't be in there today, October 12th, Monday, today. Uh, I have a sick kiddo at home, and I'm trying to help him with his distance learning while he's not feeling well at home. So I'm going to show you really quickly what to do with our lesson. You are going to have wonderful Miss Crystal or Miss Van Atten, if you know her that way, with you in class today. So treat her just the same as you would if I were there. And just in case we get confused about any directions, this is what we are going to work on today. So I'm going to share. If you come into our teams, and if you go to your assignments right here, it is called the newest lesson. Remember, you do have to scroll down because we have so many lessons. Thank you to all of you who got caught up in some of those lessons this weekend, by the way. It is in block 1. I'm going to show you Chimp Talk. It's something you guys have totally done before. See how it opens weird on mine? I have to click my 3 dots to do student view to show you what it would look like on your end. My directions are first click on the read about Chimp Talk PDF to read your materials. Then click on the Chimp Talk questions doc to read the questions. Answer the questions by typing onto the line to fill in the blank. If you get stuck, you can read the PDF again to look for your answers in the text. Once you answer all 6 questions, or answer all 6 answers to the best of your ability, turn in your work using the turn in button on the top right-hand corner that would be right here. Thank you. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quickly what the questions look like. I like to look at them before I do the actual assignment or the actual reading, so I kind of know what am I listening for. Let's see here. So it says read Chimp Talk, fill in the blanks to answer the questions below. Remember, you do have to click edit the document so that you can edit. And then where the line is, you're going to click on that spot. You can backspace to get rid of the line and just type, or you can type right into it and it'll just be a little bit longer. It is totally fine with me. So like if I went here and I said monkey, that's not the answer, but I'm just typing. All I did was click, make sure you have your little cursor in that spot, and then just type. Or you can backspace and get rid of those lines. But be careful with that so you don't accidentally delete the question. So the first one is a blank is a group of chimpanzees. So what is the name of a group of chimpanzees? Male chimpanzees, blank, and blank. So there's a 2-part question right here. Number 3 is blank is the leader of the troop. So I think that's a who. Who would be the leader of the troop? Female chimpanzees raise the blank and help take care of blank in the troop. So some of these do have multiple parts. Chimpanzees show friendship by probably doing something blank and blank. A chimpanzee tells others that there are food by blank. So how do they communicate that there's food? So those are the questions you're looking for in here, and it automatically numbered them kind of wonky for me. Let's see if I can fix that. And then I'm going to close it out. So remember, when you're done, you just close it, and let's pretend I filled it in. You can turn it in like that. And then the read about Chimp Talk. You're going to click on here and read to get all that information so you'd be able to answer the questions. If you choose to read that on your own, you're free to go now. You don't have to hang back with me. If you like to be read to or read along with me, you're welcome to stay on this video and read along with me or listen. So I'm going to move you guys up here. I do have to zoom in so you guys can see it a little better. I think 125 was our sweet spot. Perfect. So it says read Chimp Talk. Chimpanzees live in 20 countries in Africa. They live in grassy areas, jungle forests, and dry savanna. They live in a large group of chimpanzees called troops. Ooh, I remember that being one of the questions. Troops have between 10 and 100 members. Chimpanzees help each other find food and mates. They also protect each other from enemies. Each chimpanzee has one or more jobs in the troop. A male chimpanzee is the leader of the whole troop. He protects the troop and makes sure everyone works well together. All males in a troop help defend their territory. They also hunt and find food together. Female chimpanzees take care of each other's babies. Ooh, this sounds like a question we had. And children. They also help find food. Mothers take very good care of their babies, and they keep them close for many years. A baby chimpanzee rides on its mother's back for 4 years. Whew, that's a long time. Sisters, aunts, and other female chimpanzees help the mothers take care of her baby. Many chimpanzees stay with their family for their whole lives. That's crazy. That's a lot like humans, actually. Chimpanzees form close relationships with each other. One will groom another. Grooming happens when a chimpanzee cleans dirt and insects from the fur of another chimpanzee, kind of like combing their hair. He or she does this to show respect and friendship. Ooh, this sounds like another one of our questions. Chimpanzees like to hold hands, hug, and kiss each other. When they are bored, they will play games together. This helps form friendships that last a long time. Chimpanzees use tools, which is pretty rare for animals, by the way. Sticks have several uses. They're used to dig up food, defend against enemies, or as a walking stick. A chewed up wad of leaves can be used as a sponge to sop up water. Older chimpanzees teach the younger ones how to use tools. Chimpanzees communicate with each other about almost everything. An open hand is a way to ask for food. They show friendship by holding hands, hugging, and kissing. If they are afraid, chimpanzees show their teeth. They make many types of sounds. A loud howl warns the troop of danger. A grunt is how they say hello, and a combination of grunts and hoots tells the troop where food is. They even laugh when they are playing. Standing up tall, screaming, and waving arms are ways chimpanzees show he is angry. Okay, so that was the reading that went along with the work today. So if you have any questions, send me a message. Otherwise, have fun and enjoy Miss Crystal today. Thanks. Bye. Thank you. I was recording. I'm so sorry. I thought you were